Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can do about factorization. About this one, we can do another factorization. You got about s squared multiplied by s squared plus 1. Next, this one divide by this one, so s squared plus 1, s squared plus 1, they cancel. S squared divided by s, you got about s. So we have s minus 1 over s with s squared plus 1. And we know that the integration of s, you got about s squared over 2. Now I will concentrate about this one only. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over s plus bs plus c over s squared plus 1. Because this is about the power 2, so on the numerator we need to reduce 1 power, so we have 2 minus 1, you got about 1, and later that we need to reduce this power to number 0, that's why we have c. Now we do common denominator, so we have capital A multiplied by s squared plus 1 and bs plus c multiplied by s. Now we need to expand this one. Similar for this one. Now we have s squared and s squared. We can do about factorization. About this one, we have cs. Now, if we look on coefficient, we see that we don't have s squared, so a plus b equals to number 0. We don't have s, so c equals to number 0. We have number which that's about number 1, so a equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 0, c equals to number 0, a equals to number 1. So the solution of this one, that's about a equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 1, c equals to number 0. And now we put the value cone here. So a equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 1, and c is about 0. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one with the negative sign here, we have negative 1 over 2, ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1, and we put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.